Careful, bud. Not sure.
Can't check. I think it is.
You always want to check first, bud.
Cooper, can you check over there and see if it's deep? I have a plan, but I'm jumping right now, so it's good. No, you don't know that. I already checked. Okay, Cooper, already checked.
Coop, where are you going, bud?
Oh, this is the river and coming back.
Be careful.
That's too hard. Hey, Pat! Pat! I want to kick the rock.
All right.
Yeah. What? Hi!
Okay, come in.